I'll put this recording on the class website so that if you miss something, you can always you can always come back to the recording. So what we've done so far is we watched a video on what Myers Briggs is, and then you guys completed a personality test that will basically outline which of these 16 personalities you are. Once you've completed this personality test, it brought you here. Now, you're going to use the information on this sheet to complete this sheet. This sheet is crucial to you doing this project because the project is going to entail a poster board and other things that I'm going to talk about in a moment, okay? So what you're going to do, now I have it in presentation form, but because we're going to run out of time, I'm just going to go through it quickly with you. That's why I said, please, please, please pay attention. You can always refer back to this video that I'm going to post, but this needs to be done before next class. So for number 3, it tells you what are the top 3 personality type codes that matched you. So on this sheet here, on this document, they will give you, if you scroll down, 3 personality matches. So make sure you write each one of these. You only need to write the acronym here, ENFJ, the letters, and then the name. So for me, this is my personality type. I am ENFJ, the teacher, ENTJ, the commander, and ESTJ, the supervisor. That will go on number 3. Number 4 asks, what is your personality profile for core values and for key motivators? That you will scroll down, and it falls right in order. It's going to show you what your core values are and what your key motivators are, and you're going to need to write that in here, okay? Number 5 says, what is your dominant energy style? For your dominant energy style, is going to tell you here. You will come down, and you will put your dominant energy style. Mine is, I'm an extrovert. So I will put this, but I'm going to also put the percentage. So for number 5, I will put extrovert, 60%, introverted, 40%. Next, it says, what is your cognitive style? For cognitive, I'm going to scroll down until I see cognitive style, and it tells me that my cognitive style is blended. So I'm going to put that, but you're only going to put what it says for you, and you're going to put the percentages, okay? Number 7, what is your value style? My value style is here. It tells me my value style is blended. And again, I'm going to put my feelings at 46% and my thinking at 54%, and I'm going to put that for number 7. Okay, very important. If you don't put this information in, and let's say you lose this page, you're gonna have to take this test all over again. So that's why it's important for you to write this down. And last but not least, number 8, it says, what is your dominant life management style? Your dominant life management style, you're gonna scroll down, and it's gonna tell you whether you are a judger or you are a perceiver. And whatever is, as you can see, I am a judger. So my dominant style, life management dominant style is judging, and I will put judging at 85% and perceiving at 85%. I mean, for 15% for number 8. When you are done with this document, you will just save it and keep it somewhere important, because next class, okay, the rest of this you don't need. Don't close out of it though, because you may miss something. But next class, and I need everybody to take a picture of this, I'm going to show a video that's going to outline your different styles. But I need you guys to go to the dollar store before next class, because next class we are going to be putting together a marketing poster of you, okay? At the dollar store, you can only go to the dollar store, nowhere else. Not Walmart, not Target, nowhere but the not even Dollar General. I want everybody to go to the dollar store, and you should only spend $8 plus tax. You're going to buy a poster board of your choice. It don't matter what color or what style or what size. It's totally up to you. Some border, whatever you want, one thing of border. Either you can get big letters, little letters. It's up to you for your header. Construction paper, glue. If you already have pencil and pens, that should say pencil and pens, so that's my error. But if you already have that at home, that's fine. Any decorations you may want, and then photo paper if they have it, okay? So this is what you're gonna need for next class. Please take a picture of it. I will upload it to the Teams, But we are going to do something next class with this. Now, let's say Friday roll around and you don't have your materials. Well, you won't do your project, and that's going to be on you. So you have 2 days to get your materials. And if you have some of this at home, then you don't have to go to the dollar store. So, but if you don't have some of this, then make sure you go to the dollar store to get these items. That this is 8 different items you need, so you shouldn't spend no more than $8 and some tax. Any questions on this so far? Any questions from anybody? Let me know now, guys. Any questions? So everybody understand what we're doing for?
Wait, I'm sorry to interrupt. But,
Go ahead.
Are you going to be like explaining the whole like project to us right now?
No, I'm going to explain the whole project to you next class. All you need right now is to fill this information out here and make sure you have these items for next class, because we're going to do it together. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any other questions, guys? Please, please, please fill this out and save it somewhere, because if you don't have this and you misplace your personality test results, I'm just going to redirect you to go take that test again. And that honestly, you just answered 130 questions in under 20 minutes. So if you don't want to do that again, I suggest you fill out this document. Okay, this document will be submitted at the end when you have to submit your project. But again, the project, we're going to go through and do it together next class. Just please make sure you have these materials available, whether you have them in your house or you need to go to Dollar Tree. Do not go to Walmart. Do not go to Target. Do not go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's. None of those places. Everything you need could be bought at the Dollar Tree. Don't go to Dollar General. No, Dollar Tree. Yes,
Miss,
Joseph? Yes.
do you submit the document in Teams, right?
Not now, no. You're gonna hold on to it.
No, but when we do it, we submit it to Teams, right?
Correct, but I have not put up the Teams assignment for you to submit it though. So it's not gonna be there. You just gotta hold on to it until we finish with the project.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Any other questions, guys?
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead, Brenda.
To answer the what is your personality profile, do we summarize it? I'm sorry, I forgot when you first explained it.
You don't necessarily have to summarize it. You just write exactly what they gave you. So
okay.
For instance, like for your core values, they give it here. You just write the words. Or like for your, let's say your dominant energy style, which will be number 5, you will put I will put extroverted and 60%, introverted and 40%. But make sure you're reading this so you understand what it is it means, because you're going to have to showcase this in the project.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions, guys?
Is this all recorded? I have to step away.
Yes, I have been recording it, and I am going to post it in the on the class website. I'll post the link to it in Teams as well for the assignment. Yes, I will definitely do that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so if that is it, guys, I have taken